Welcome to our newest listing in one of Arizona's hottest zip codes, 85254.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Josh Zuniga. This is my beautiful wife, Sabree Zuniga.
Hi.
And you're in front of our newest listing at 14248 North 56th Street. And this is going to be one of our beautiful listings here in 85254, just like Sabree was saying. Some of the best things about this community is you're going to be a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,800 square feet. You're going to be 15 minutes away from Kierland. You're also going to have 3 minutes away from the freeway access. You're going to be 10 minutes away from Desert Ridge. This is where you're going to have all your food, your fun, your shops, and all of your entertainment. And plus, this zip code is one of the best to be in. It's one of the highest appreciated zip codes that we have here within Arizona. But enough about the details. I want to show you this property, and Sabree's going to take you on a tour on the inside, and we'll see you in the backyard.
Hi guys, welcome in. As Josh was saying, this home here is 1,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. We're coming right in here to the formal living room and the dining room space. Beautiful. Right here is going to be an extra flex space. You can use it as a bedroom, or some people, or these guys used it actually as an office space, so you can do whatever you want with it. This space flows really nicely into your family room space. This is where you're going to spend most of your time with your family. Comes right in here to the kitchen. Nice quartz countertops, upgraded cabinets, new appliances, really amazing floors. I don't know if you saw those. Great updated baseboards here. You can use this as your breakfast nook, put a nice little table here. Come in here with the living room with your family. This is a really nice big space. Now we're gonna come back here and check out the bedrooms. So back here, you're gonna have the laundry room. It goes straight into the garage. Here's the bedroom here. These bedrooms are really nice sized. Your guest bathroom's here, another bedroom here. We're gonna walk straight back into the master bedroom. Really good sized closet. I love these windows here, looking outside at the pool. Amazing new bathroom. They upgraded the countertops, cabinets, and the shower space. Now let's go outside and check out the backyard. All right, welcome to the backyard. You have this nice covered patio here. You have a grill over here. And then over on this side, we have the heated pool with a spa. So this is great for a family day. You have this amazing paver space where you can have tons of family over and have a great Sunday afternoon.
Thank you, honey, for that beautiful tour. Again, guys, we have a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. We're going to be located here in 85254. We're going to be priced at $850,000. And guys, if you guys are looking for an investment property, this is also one of those that you can actually have a consideration. There's no HOA here. We have a heated pool. We have a beautiful property. It's also wonderful for a great rental. You're probably going to rent around $4,000 or more here in this area. If you guys are interested, please make sure to reach out to us. All of our information is in the description below. And if you want a personal tour, make sure to click the link below also and directly book with us. And then we'll see you on the inside. Until next video, guys, thank you so much and take care.